Hello YouTube friends, my job today is I'm going to have a look at my wood shredder chipper. It doesn't seem to be assisting us for the waste to go in. So the plan is I'm going to take off these two bolts, that nut. Okay, so what I've got is I've got the bits off, two bolts. It's a 17mm nut, 16mm head of the bolt, and I've got 4 to take off the blade. Oh, it's cold. Yep, that's 3. My 16 spanner. Okay, these blades are reversible. That's both sides have been used. So I'll be back in a minute. So off camera, which for some reason it keeps switching off. So what I've done is I put the 2 new blades in. That's 2 old ones. I'll see if I can get them sharpened, but they have to be sharpened to a certain percentage. If I can't do it, I'll do it myself, but right, I'll give it a go. Switch on. This is going to be a bit noisy. All I want to do is, I'm not wearing my earfoot muffs because I want to make sure it sounds okay. Well, I hope you heard it and you enjoyed it, but it's a lot better than what it was. I had to force the stuff through before, but that now is pulling it in itself, so the blades were needing chopped. Well, thank you very much for watching.